This is 5098. This is an ocean view. As you come in, this one is set up where the bed is right close to the door. We've talked about this before in other videos and haven't done it in a long time. If you have a scooter and you're not in an accessible cabin, you're supposed to be keeping the scooters in your cabin. Now, if that is the door and this is the bed, where's the scooter going to go? So when you're booking, you got to try to find out and make sure that if you have a scooter, that your bed is over there, because that would present more room here to put your scooters. Hopefully that makes sense. Anyway, as you can see, you have your bed here. It's either one king when the beds are together, or it can be separated to be two twins. There are two nightstands, USB power only on one side. You do have your closets right here. One side is shelves, a couple of drawers, and a safe. The other side is all hanging, which is nice, with a little cubby down there maybe for some shoes. Right across from the bed, huge mirror, big mirror. All right, down here you have your sofa that can convert into a bed.
Actually, that one doesn't convert.
This one doesn't convert?
No.
This one isn't a converting one?
No.
Nope, it is.
Oh, okay. I stand corrected.
You stand corrected.
I do. It's just not the cool bunks.
Yeah, well, yeah, who knows? You got your TV there. It's on a pivot, so you can pivot it towards the bed if you want. 2 European, 2 US, 2 USB. This elongated desk. There is a drawer right here that has your hair dryer in it. All right, a table and a little stool, mini bar if you want it. Nice big mirror. Then you got your big, huge picture window. Well, it's a porthole, but it's so big it's like a picture window porthole.
You can sit there and read.
Yeah, you can sit there and read. You can see everything going on outside.
Yeah.
What's going on, man? Hey, man, there's my suitcase. No, I'm kidding. Okay, anyway, let's go take a look at the bathroom. Bathroom is a step up. This looks like the bathroom in pretty much the rest of the cabins like this we've seen. You got a toilet and a great place for someone that is tall my height, right? You got a shower that's also good for someone my height. I'll just at least step in so you can see, all right? You've got nice wraparound mirror, soap dispensers, a one-piece sink situation here. There's storage underneath and a makeup mirror. There's power in here as well. So yeah, decent sized bathroom. So let us know what you think of this ocean view. What do you think of that huge porthole?